1. Two bodies connected by a string move with A. Different acceleration. B. Same acceleration. C. Zero acceleration. D. Random acceleration. Answer. B. Same acceleration. 2. In connected bodies, the tension in the string is A. Always zero. B. Same throughout, ideal string. C. Different at every point. D. Infinite. Answer. B. Same throughout, ideal string. 3. If one mass in a connected system increases, acceleration will A. Increase. B. Decrease. C. Remain same. D. Become zero. Answer. A. Increase. 4. The motion of connected bodies depends on A. Only mass. B. Only force. C. Both mass and applied force. D. Only friction. Answer. C. Both mass and applied force. 5. In a frictionless pulley system, the acceleration is A. Unequal for both bodies. B. Equal for both bodies. C. Zero. D. Infinite. Answer. B. Equal for both bodies. 6. If two bodies are connected and placed on a smooth surface, they will A. Move independently. B. Move together with same acceleration. C. Not move. D. Move in opposite directions. Answer. B. Move together with same acceleration. 7. The unit of tension is A. Newton. B. Joule. C. Watt. D. Pascal. Answer. A. Newton. 8. When a heavier mass pulls a lighter one in a connected system, A. Both remain at rest. B. Lighter mass moves faster. C. Both move with same acceleration. D. Heavier mass stops. Answer. C. Both move with same acceleration.